Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to redeem a DoorDash gift card. So first of all, you need to open up DoorDash app on your mobile device, and then from the home screen, tap on the account icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the gift card option right here. Once you're on this screen, scroll down and enter in the gift card PIN in this designated field right here. After that, tap on Redeem Gift Card option at the bottom. Once redeemed, DoorDash gift card credit will reflect on your payment page. You can also redeem your DoorDash gift card at the checkout page. Well, that's how you redeem a DoorDash gift card. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.